Hello guys and welcome back here. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm about to share with you my new makeup finds of TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Let's begin. I found these new brushes from Smashbox. So these are the precise highlighting brushes for $9.99, and they had this fan brush that we have seen in the past. This is going for $11.99. They also had this new here. This is a blush brush. It looks really awesome. And they had this sheer powder brush as well. So this blush brush going for $14.99, where this big sheer powder brush going for $17.99. And they had these NARS velvet matte lip pencils and one satin lip pencil as well. So I found it in these three different shades. These all are new shades here, never seen these before, going for $5.99 each. Also they had this blush sculptant from Estee Lauder in the shade 110. This is going for $14.99. And they had this Estee Lauder Kissable Lip Shine here. This was in the shade Angel Gleam, going for $7.99. They had a bunch of different shades for Hydra Light Plumping Lip Balm from Becca. So I found the shade Spray, Mist, Dewy and Lagoon. These are for only $6.99. They also had this Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Base Redness and Pore Covering Primer here. And they had this Pretty Filter Mattifying Oil Control as well. Both of these are for $9.99 each. And this time they had a bunch of these Becca Ignite liquid highlighters. I found in two different shades, the shade Strength and also Creativity. These are for $12.99 each. They had more of these MAC sets here that we seen in my last video, going for $29.99, and also they had couple of more of these ABH Moonchild palettes here for $12.99, and more of these Cherry collection that we have seen a lot of times in the past. And I also did found this new foundation from Shiseido, Luminizing Fluid Foundation SPF 30 in the shade Neutral 4. They had Neutral 1, and also they had this Rose 4 as well. These are going for $16.99 each. I love Shiseido complexion products. They also had this new here, Becca First Light Priming Filter, Instantly Awaken Your Skin. It looks really awesome, going for $9.99. My store also had these the beauty crop face palettes here. This is what it looks like on the inside for only $5.99. They also had this one right here, and that's how it looks like on the inside for $5.99 as well. And they also had this stargazing palette. This is how it looks like for only $4.99, and also down gazing palette for $4.99 as well. And they had this Espresso Yourself eyeshadow palette as well. That's how the shades are, very gorgeous, for $5.99. And they had this BH Cosmetic Aquarius palette. This is what it looks like, and Taurus as well for $4.99 each. And they had more of these Becca Instant Awake sets here. So you get a under eye primer, corrector and setting powder for $14.99. And they had this new here from Lancome. This is a multi-action lip replumping balm. It looks awesome for $12.99. And they also had this from Butter London. This is lip glaze in the shade Rose Dust for $3.99. And I found one single piece of this YSL lip liner for $14.99 in the shade Rose. They also had this new here from Shiseido Visionary Gel Lipstick in the shade Bullet Train, going for $9.99. And they had couple of these Laura Mercier eye brushes here. All of these are for only $3.99 each, and they had couple of different ones. Also from the Crop Beauty, I found this blush duo for $4.99. And they had this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara here, limited edition. It comes with a luggage tag for only $4.99. Love this mascara, and $4.99 is great for this. And they had these brow stylist brow razor from L'Oreal. I found it in only one shade, 620, for $2.99 each. And they had this L'Oreal holographic highlighter multi-use stick for $3.99, and this Burt's Bee mascara here, which looks really nice, and I love this package in gorgeous shades for only $4.99. And they had this Master Storbing liquid illuminating highlighter from Maybelline, new here, for $3.99. And they had couple of these CoverGirl Vitality face powders. These are awesome for $7.99. And also they had more of these multi-dimensional from ELF for $4.99, and this Revlon liquid liner, a couple of these for only $3.99 each. Clarins is one of my favorite skincare brand. I was so excited to see gentle foaming cleanser from them for $14.99, and they had this instant light natural lip perfector for $7.99 only, and also they had this moisturizing reviving eye mask here for $14.99. And they had one more shade for instant light lip perfector for $7.99 as well. They also had this new here from Honest. So this is a deep hydration eye cream for $6.99, and they had this deep puff eye gel for $6.99 and magic gel to milk cleanser as well for $4.99. This is also a very exciting find. I found these Beauty Blender waterless sponge and brush cleaning sprays for only $4.99. These are mini sizes and looks awesome. They also had these really gorgeous looking House of Lashes from Sephora collection for $4.99. And from Dr. Brand, they had these mini sizes of Magnetic Age Defier Skin Recharging Magnet Mask. Sounds really awesome for $9.99. From Olay, they had this Total Effect 7-in-1 Anti-Aging Eye Serum for $7.99 only, and they had these Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder full size for $79.99, and they had this Clinique After Sun Rescue Balm with Aloe for $19.99. Also, they had these new here from Clinique Exfoliating Scrubs for $17.99. And they had this eye cream here from Clinique for $34.99, and they had more of these Beyond Perfecting foundations, one of my favorite from Clinique, for $9.99, and Even Better Refresh foundations for $9.99 as well. They had a tons of different products from Dirty Works. So this is foot butter for $3.99, eye cream for $4.99, and they had this detox mud mask here for $3.99 as well. And they also had this face scrub here for $3.99, very affordable, and miracle cream 8-in-1, this is for $5.99. And also they had this foot scrub here for $3.99, and creamy cleanser for $3.99 as well. And I noticed that they have reduced the price for Laneige Glowy lip balms for going for $6.99. Before, I think these were for $9.99. They had couple of new products from the Creme Shop. So this is Beauty Water I'm Youthful and I'm Balanced, I'm Radiant, I'm Pure. These are for $3.99 each. They also had this new here Melt Away 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm from the Creme Shop for $3.99 as well. They had this new here from Murad Prebiotic Multi Mist 3-in-1 for $9.99. And they had this new skincare set here, Clear Skin at Home 30-day kit. So you get a full size of resurfacing treatment, a cleanser, clarifying treatment, and broad SPF 45. It looks pretty promising for $21.99, and here you can see expiration date for this. They had this new here from Boscia Charcoal Pore Pudding Intensive Wash Off for $9 now. And they also had this Polo Club Place 3-in-1 hair and body wash and conditioner for only $5.99. Very, very affordable. And they also had these duos from Olay. So these are body wash duos for $8.99. I really like Olay body washes. And they had these new perfumes here if you guys are interested. So this one is for $29.99. Then they had this one right here for $19.99. Also they had couple of more of these Tommy Girl here for $14.99. This is new from Tommy Girl. This is Tommy Girl Summer for $19.99, and this is a Molten Brown London Pampering Body Oil for $19.99, and they had this new here, it is for $49.99, and this new from DKNY, this is a Be Tempted So Blush perfume for $29.99, and they also had this one right here, this is going for $36.99. They had couple of these Moda 7-piece total face brush sets in three different colors, as you can see. These are for $9.99. Moda brushes are pretty good quality, and $9.99 is great for this set. They also had this set right here. This is 6-piece dark dragon brush set. This one also looks so pretty, going for $9.99 as well. From Skinny Dip London, they have more of these sets here. It looks gorgeous. We have seen these in the past. It includes a brush bag as well, going for $9.99, and they also had this new little set here from Moda. So it has an angled kabuki brush and beauty sponge as well for $4.99. This time I also found these really gorgeous looking wedding dresses here at TJ Maxx from their runway collection. As you can see, they had couple of these. This one was my favorite, super gorgeous, and it was going for $249. This completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. You have wonderful rest of your day, you guys. Take care. Bye bye.